Hello learners, I'm very happy that we have completed some of the part of multiplier section, but we'll be doing more numericals related to multiplier, MPC and MPS. We'll be doing more work on this because we have to learn it very well, because 3 marks question is going to come in your board exam related to multiplier. So yes, I'll be sharing a screen so that you can see more numericals related to multiplier, MPC and MPS, and their variation also, that how they are, how we use different formulas, how we calculate it by different formulas, and how we are calculating it in different ways. So I wanted to show you each and every way. Please see carefully. I'll be sharing these in the description section also, so you can see it again also. In an economy, the equilibrium level, like when we say the equilibrium level, what do we mean? We mean that y is equal to c plus s and s is equal to y. S is equal to I. That means saving is equal to investment. Okay. So in an economy, the equilibrium level of income is rupees 12,000 crore. The ratio of marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save is 3:1. The ratio between marginal propensity to consume and marginal propensity to save is 3:1. So you can know that it is 3:1. That means if our income is like 100%, if we talk about 100%, then 75% goes to consumption and 25% goes to saving. It means this 3:1 means that if 100% income, we are talking about 100% income, then 75% is consumed and 25% is saved. This you must understand. Calculate the additional investment needed to reach a new equilibrium level of income of 20,000 crores. Now they are asking to reach a new equilibrium level of income 20,000 crores. MPC is equal to 0.75, because I have explained by this. The ratio is given 3:1. That means 75% goes to consumption. That means MPC is equal to 75 upon 100, that is 0.75, and MPS will be 0.25 because it will be 25 upon 100. Delta Y needed is 8,000 crores because we want to change, because see, initially the income was 12,000, but now we want income of 20,000. So 20,000 and 12,000, the difference between 20,000 and 12,000 is 8,000. That is, we had subtracted Y2 minus Y1. Y2 is final income, Y1 is initial income. And what we have done? We have done Y2 minus Y1. Final minus initial. 20,000 minus 12,000, and it has come 8,000 crores. Now you can see that because y is equal to 1 plus 3, we have done from this. C is equal to 3, S is equal to 1, MPC is equal to delta C upon delta Y. And so 3 upon 4 is equal to 0.75. I have explained this also. So you can see this also. And K is equal to, how we'll calculate K? Because we know MPC. And we can know MPS also, because we'll just deduct it from 1. 1 minus 0.75 is in MPS. So K is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC, 1 minus 0.75, 0.25. 0.25 is actually the value of MPS, marginal propensity to save. So 1 upon 0.25 is equal to 4. That means the multiplier effect is, the value of K is 4. That means our income is going to increase 4 times. As K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, we always know that this is also third formula. Delta Y, that means change in income. Delta I, that means change in investment. Therefore, when we cross multiply it, we get delta Y is equal to delta I into K. We had done a numerical in previous video also. So 8,000 is equal to delta I into 4. So 8,000 divided by 4 is 2,000. That means we have to make additional investment of 2,000 rupees. That means we have to make 2,000 crore of investment for increasing our income according to our expectation. That was 20,000 crore. So once again, I will tell you that because it was given 3:1, so we can say that y is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So we can say that consumption is 3, saving is 1, and then we can find out MPC. MPC is delta C upon delta Y, which will come to 0.75. And in this manner, we have calculated that K is equal to 1 minus MPC, 1 minus 0.75, 0.25 is equal to 4. And as K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, therefore delta Y is equal to delta Y into delta I into K. I is investment, Y is income. And we had cross multiplied it, and then we have got delta I, 8,000 upon 4, which is equal to 2,000. So we have to make additional investment of rupees 2,000 crores. This is the numerical. You can see in the description section after video also. Now see, there is another numerical also. You can see many type of numericals. If value of MPC is equal to 0.5, he is saying that value of MPC is equal to 0.5. Income increases by 4,800 crore. Calculate MPS. MPS you can calculate from here itself because it is given 0.5. So MPS will be 0.5 because 1 minus 0.5 is always 0.5. Value of multiplier and change in investment. Now MPC is equal to 0.5. Delta Y is equal to rupees 4,800, means we want 4,800 crore to change income. And MPS is equal to, we have to find K, we have to find delta I, we have to find. So you may feel that it is a very difficult thing. We have to find 3 things, but it is not as such. It is not difficult at all. MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. I had already told you that when MPC is equal to 0.5, then MPS will be 0.5 because 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. Then K you can calculate 1 upon 0.5, which will be 2. That means our income will be increasing twice, though 2 times it will increase. And K is equal to delta I upon delta Y upon delta I, and we want change in income to be 4,800, and we have to calculate delta I. So 2 into delta I is equal to 4,800. So delta I is equal to 4,800 divided by 2, which is equal to 2,400. That means if we want to increase our income by 4,800, we have to increase our investment by 2,400. This is the beauty of multiplier effect, that we can come to know that how much income is needed and how much investment we need to earn that part of income. Let us see one more numerical. See, this is the simplest numerical. It can come in 2 marks also because you have 2 marks question also. And I think you already know this, that you have 5 2 marks questions, 5 3 marks questions, and 3 5 marks question in your second term exam, because 5 2 marks question means 10, and 5 3 mark question means 15, and 3 5 marks question means 15. So 10, 15, 15, it will be equal to 40. So it can come in 2 marks question. If value of K is 10, then tell MPS and MPC. You have to tell MPS and MPC. Just find one of the value and then you can convert it into other. K is equal to 10. So K is equal to 1 upon MPS. 10 is equal to 1 upon MPS. When you will cross multiply it, then it will come 10 into MPS is equal to 1. MPS is equal to 1 upon 10. See the next step, and it will come 0.1. So MPS is 0.1. You can easily find MPC. MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. Okay. So it will be 1 minus MPS. 1 minus 0.1, which will be equal to 0.9. So it is very, very simple question. 2 marks question. You can get full marks in the numerical question. Although you are getting choices also, because you will, if you go to CBSE website and you see the sample paper, you will find choices in 3 marks question as well as in 5 marks question. So you can choose the actually they have given me choices like this, that one numerical is given, one theory is given. So you can either attempt the numerical question or theoretical question, but most of the students prefer to do numerical question because they feel that they can get full marks in numerical question. So next topic will be aggregate demand, but children, that I will do in next video. And till then, you should go through all these numerical. Then we'll be studying aggregate demand and aggregate supply in next video. So today, what we have done multiplier, and we have discussed 8 numerical questions related to multiplier, marginal propensity to consume, and marginal propensity to save. Please subscribe my channel to get more concept, because I'll be uploading 2 videos every day at 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. Of different concepts, and you can learn this. You will get notes in the description section. And if you have any doubt, I have already told you that my email ID is there. You can write to me on my email ID. And if you get any question also in some sample paper or somewhere where which you are not understanding and which you feel that yes, it is not getting solved, then that question also you can send to me through email. We'll discuss in one of the videos, and I'll inform you in which video we have discussed it. So all the links also I'm sharing in the description section so that you can see the various concepts in various videos. Okay. So thanks a lot. Please share the link to your friends, classmates who are studying economics. Even in graduation level also, they can make use of these concepts. And please subscribe my channel. And we'll be having live sessions also. But for live session, I need more students because at present I have less subscribers. But if there will be more subscribers, then every alternate days we'll be having live sessions also. So thanks a lot. Keep learning economics and enjoy economics. Thanks a lot.